am Ankita Mishra, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department at Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, accredited with NAAC A+ grade. I welcome you all in today's practical session of concrete technology. Okay, today we are going to perform standard consistency of cement. Okay, so for this is the setup of the standard consistency of cement test. As you all see, this is the VCAT apparatus having the VCAT mold with base plate. Okay, this is the VCAT plunger of diameter 10 mm and length of that plunger is 50 mm. Okay, this is the sliding weight and this is the measuring scale in which you have to measure the penetration. Right? So, before we start the test, first of all, I define what is meant by standard consistency. Right? Standard consistency means that consistency of cement which will allow the plunger to penetrate into the cement paste to a point 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the VCAT mold or 33 to 35 mm from the top of the VCAT mold. Okay? So, for performing the test, we have to take 400 gram of cement sample, right? I already measured the 400 gram of cement sample. Make sure that the cement sample should be free from lumps, right? So, you have to pour the cement sample into this enamel tray. In this enamel tray, we are going to make a cement paste, right? So, basically, for making the cement paste, you have to take a quantity of water. So, for this performance, I'll take 25% of water by weight of cement. 25% of water by weight of cement. So, as you all know, the weight of cement is 400 grams. So, 25% of 400 gram will gives you the value 100 ml, right? So, I'll take 100 ml of water for making the cement paste. So, this is the measuring jar in which I will measure the quantity of water, that is 100 ml. Right? So, after this, you have to prepare a cement paste of standard consistency, right? So, first of all, basically you have to make a pond so that we can make a smooth paste having good consistency, right? So, I'll start adding or start pouring the water into the cement paste to make a smooth paste. Okay? For this particular instrument is called as trowel, which is used for making the cement paste. So, in this way, you have to make the paste within 3 to 10 minutes. Mixing should be properly done. So, in this way, you have to make a proper smooth cement paste having a proper consistency, right? So, this is basically the mixing procedure. This is basically the mixing procedure, right? After mixing this paste, after achieving the proper cement paste, you have to fill the paste into the VCAT mold, right? So now I am filling paste into this VCAT mode. Make sure that when you fill the paste into the VCAT mode, there should be no void present in it. Okay? So, for removing the voids, you have to tap this VCAT mode in this way so that all the voids should get clear. So, after filling, you have to level the top surface in this way. See here, a proper level surface is achieved, right? After this, you have to place this VCAT mode into the VCAT apparatus under the VCAT plunger, right? So, before the penetration of plunger, you have to touch the surface of the cement paste with this VCAT plunger. So first of all, lower the sliding weight so that the plunger touches the surface of the cement paste, right? After this, you have to release the sliding weight so that plunger is allowed to penetrate into the cement paste. So now I am releasing the sliding weight so that it will freely penetrate into the cement paste. After this, you have to measure the penetration value. See here, the pointer will go slowly down, right? Now, you have to record, you have to measure this penetration value. And as I told you, the standard penetration value is 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold, right? So here in this case, we achieve the penetration value of 7 mm from the bottom. Here in this practical performance, we will get the penetration value between, see here, the penetration value is 7 mm. So it is between the standard range of penetration, that is 5 to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold. So we will achieve this particular value of 7 mm in the pointer scale, right? So for making the paste, what amount of water we use so that we will get this pointer value between 5 to 7 mm, right? So that amount of water is called as standard consistency. So basically, there is a formula. So, here in this case, I add 25% of water by weight of cement, right? By weight of cement. So, quantity of cement is 400 gram. Quantity of water (25%), that is 100 ml. So, by applying the formula of standard consistency, weight of water to the weight of cement into 100. So here in this case, 100 ml divided by 400 is into 100 will gives you the value 25%. So basically the standard consistency is denoted by P, and here in this case 25% of water is required to achieve the penetration value between the range 5 to 7 mm. So here we conclude that today's practical, the standard consistency is 25%. Thank you so much.